Hi everyone, today we look at a trap. In bird's opening we are playing for black. Bird's opening starts from f4. We play e5, white takes, and we play d6. This is From's gambit. White takes and we take by bishop. Now our three pieces aim to the left flank of the white and we are ready to attack. If white does some developing move b3 or c3, our queen goes to h4, check. Only one possible move here, g3. We take by bishop, white takes, and we take by queen. And this is checkmate. Maybe white understands all of this. Let's get little back. And to take control over h4 square, place f3. We attack the knight. White doesn't like our bishop here and place h3. We take the knight. White takes. We put queen on h4. There is no way to cover white king and this is checkmate. Let's get little back and see if white would play d4. We play the same. h4, check. White pawn goes to g3. We take. And if white takes by pawn, we take white rook, because if we take the pawn, white king escapes. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.